Good morning, everyone. It's Wednesday, November 24th, and for all of my friends here, happy Thanksgiving. We will be here today, but it'll be a very quiet day. And, well, if I ever make it to the grocery store, I'll actually start my cooking. Yeah, I know. I just said that. I did. I do not have everything I need. Go figure. Oh, well, that's okay. I have the turkey. I guess that's really the important part. And I have the stuff to make pumpkin pie. So, turkey, pumpkin pie, everything else, they can deal with it. All right, keep taking a look here at Bitcoin. Right back to the 50, watching this 50, good area of support. The 50 is still creeping up here, so looking for a move in Bitcoin to make its way back up. Don't forget, real quick, so we're closed tomorrow. The markets are closed tomorrow. Friday, the markets close at 1. The bond market closes at 2. It'll be a very quiet day. I do not intend to open the room up. I don't think I'll be trading. I'll be sitting my behind. Well, I say that, but I'll probably be chasing Lexi. But my intention is to sit my behind on the sofa and just finish up all my Christmas shopping. I'm almost done, but it's still fun to shop. Okay, so that is my plan for Friday. Let's take a look at our futures. They're down a little bit. But well inside yesterday's candle. Yesterday we did use that 20 and push back up, potentially coming back to tap that here again today. Just going, as I said, the volume will dry up really by noon. It'll be very, very quiet. So whatever you're playing, keep that in mind that the liquidity might be down. Of course, on those big names, like your Apples and Microsofts and stuff, those large caps, those will still move really well. It's some of those smaller ones that'll really just become very anemic. So if you get in something, you want to make sure you can get out. So keep that in mind. All right, well, let's go ahead and hop into it. A few of these names we looked at yesterday. Datadog started a very nice reversal. I do like this. If it can move and continue its way back above the 20 here. It's, where is it this morning? Yeah, this morning it is sitting just inside this candle. We are below the 20. The 20 is really the trigger there to hop on in and then probably hit some resistance right here along the 187.80, 188 area. But still some nice room in there. I like that Datadog 175s. These are all for January. Another one we looked at, WDC. So let me take this old trend line out. Right, if we gapped up yesterday, so nice little bullish gap as of right now. We hung out right here at the fib line. You can see this was previous resistance. We hit it in here and here. It was support back here and here. So looking for a move above that 60-65 mark. And I like the 62.50s. Well, we're all buying cute little things and tchotchkes and stuff for Christmas. And a benefit of that is Etsy here. We put in a nice inside candle here today or yesterday and made, kind of working on a little bit of a reversal there, right? With some pretty decent price action. So normally on an inside candle, your entry would be at the high of the inside candle on the follow-on day. Today, I like this over the open from yesterday. So right around that 282 area is where I like Etsy to watch it for a creep up to yesterday's high and then break out of that. Etsy, I like the 300s. Let's stick with shopping here. Lowe's. So they had earnings. Just really a nice climb up, right? They consolidated forever. Finally made the move up. Consolidated. So nice stair step here. Had earnings, bumped up, and a nice ascending wedge here, which is a very bullish pattern. Like the look of the open candle. We took a little pause yesterday, ended up inside, closing on the top side of that red candle. Like the look for continuation there. The 250s. You can also take a look at Home Depot, the same sector there. All right, I'm still shopping. Well, Best Buy had earnings. Look at this. They were doing so great. Oh, yeah, wow. Not only, they jumped out the window with a weighted plate. Look at that, all the way down. But we hit the 200, went just a little bit below, but came back to that 200. And look at that fight back yesterday. Really fought back. So when we look at this, you can see big red candle, right? Obviously, because we're below the previous day. That's when this candle comes in to play. just looking at a red volume candle doesn't give you a complete picture. So obviously it sold off, but look at all the buying that took place inside that candle. This down here is the volume versus selling volume. And so, you know, I think that that's a really strong candidate for a continued reversal here. So I like Best Buy. Now be very cautious, because if people come back in and start selling it down, it may just push it way back down here to that 50 or 200. So be cautious of that, but it looks like a good play, ready to continue recovery. I like the 125s. Netflix has been under all kinds of pressure here lately. Let me get this out of here. Oop, there you go. Has been under all kinds of pressure after looking pretty good there. Came back below the 34, but put in kind of a longer leg doji. Looks like this selling, you know, it's on a little bit lower volume. This selling may just be the end of it here, and looking for a reversal on Netflix. And I like the 650s, which will probably keep you in the money, or the 660s. So be careful if you go out of the money, but I like both of those. So the electric vehicle market, it's very hot and cold, definitely more hot than cold these days. Take a look at EXPE, right? We're fairly choppy, but a big price action yesterday. Looking for anything over yesterday's close in EXPE. I like the 50s. NEO, another one, it's over the 200, so probably right around that 40 to 45s. Look really good there in NEO. Lucid. Lucid here, you know, this one, such a nice move, and it does look a little crazy, right, because the candles are so big. I like, if you draw this in, I kind of like the look here of this. So draw some lines in, make your entries. I actually like this probably over the 52.95 or 53 mark, but I do like these for, I'd probably give myself a little time on these, because they have been so choppy. You don't want to get chopped out right away. But the electric vehicle market is very, very hot. It's all charged up. Get it? Charged up. Yep. 50 or 55, sir. I know. Bad jokes. And finally, the last two here. Not at all in the sectors we've been talking about, but United Healthcare. Look at that big bullish candle. This came up on a scan. For bullish, bullish engulfing candle, we use this fib line. Really nice, came to the 8. So I like to play the 8 to the 20 and then see if we can get through that. And healthcare, you know, it's been very, it's been riding at the top of the sector rotation in the top area there. Not the top 1 or 2, but it's been kind of creeping up there. So take a look at United Healthcare. I like the 450s. In fact, let me see where it's sitting. It is, well, it is down on the month, so keep that in mind, but looks like it might be trying to make a reversal here in that sector. All right, so UNH, and then finally DHI. Home builder here, really nice since earnings, took a bullish gap, kept going, came back in, tapped the 8, just taking a nice break, hit the 8, started a reversal, and looking for the continued recovery to test the 104 there in DHI. I like the 100s. All right, that is it for me this morning. I hope you have a great Thanksgiving. If you're traveling, be safe, eat lots of food, and most importantly, be thankful for those around you. Have a great day.